In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Namecheap domain to your Wix website, making your site truly stand out with a personalized web address. This process is essential for branding your business or personal site. So let's get started and ensure that your web presence is both professional and unique. To begin, open your browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This brings you to the Wix dashboard, your central hub for managing all your Wix sites. You'll see a list of your websites displayed here. Click on the specific site you want to associate with your Namecheap domain. It's important you choose the right site, as this is where your visitors will land when they type in your domain. Now you'll want to click on your profile and ensure your role is set to owner. Having the correct role is important because only account owners have access to certain features will need to update. Once verified, navigate to the setup section on your dashboard. This area is critical because it helps you manage the technical aspects of your site, including domain connections. Once in the setup section, scroll until you see the option labeled Connect a Custom Domain. This option is where we ensure your domain is linked correctly. Here, you'll want to have your Namecheap domain information on hand to make this part seamless. Open a new tab, go to your Namecheap account, and copy your domain name. Once copied, return to the Wix setup page. Now paste the Namecheap domain link into the field provided and click Let's Go. This action initiates the connection between your domain and Wix. If everything checks out, you'll see a prompt to make this your recommended domain. Alternatively, if you want to explore other domain options, you can search for an available one at this point. After these steps, your domain should be successfully linked to your Wix site. It might take a little while for the changes to propagate, meaning don't worry if it doesn't work instantaneously. Give it some time and soon typing your domain into the browser should lead guests directly to your Wix website. Linking your Namecheap domain to your Wix website helps in creating a strong and recognizable online brand and enhances user commitment by providing a professional look. Be sure to check that everything appears and functions correctly once the domain is connected, as a smooth user experience is key to keeping visitors on your site longer. With these steps, you're all set and ready to show off your new personalized web address to the world. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.